Here with a look at Trump. All right, this is on a, what are we on? A daily chart. No, not, there's a daily. I apologize. That was a daily chart. And we're looking for a bottom on this thing, right? Let's go a little bit, maybe a 12-hour. I want to see some wave counts here. All right, that'll work. Alright, man, I did a 30x on this thing when it first launched. It's absolutely nuts. Very pure luck, but honestly. Right here you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, you had 5 waves up here. Now you would be looking, there we go, over in Discord. Just a chart we looked at over there. Nice chart, SEI. Looking pretty good. If you're joining up with our Discord, we have almost 180 members in there. Would love to have you. So it's $15. You get over 10 hours of videos, 20 plus videos to teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord. All right, so yeah, please check that out. We have an alt season coming up. We have the total 3. Let me show you this real quick. Then we'll get back to that. Forming a cup and handle on the total 3, which is pretty bullish. Right? There's your cup. Here's your handle. Alright, so that is very, very good to see. Definitely want to see a breakout soon. You know, this is all your altcoins except Bitcoin, all your cryptos except Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total 3 market cap. Right? Back over here on Trump. After we had that 5 waves up, you can see 5 waves down in here, and you also have an ABC. Alright, we come off the top. Over here, let's see here, it's going 8 hour, so we can see some closing candles a little bit better, maybe even a 4. Pretty sloppy through here, right? Alright, here you have a 702, AB, fourth down on top, C. Alright, somewhere down around there it's looking like. Right up through here is your ABC. There you have an A, B, up to the 702, and then a C. Alright, should come right down on top of that. Should give you your C leg target. Maybe around 862 here. Looking like another, maybe a final push down over here. Let's get a measurement here. Alright, 820, 862, somewhere right around in this area, right? I'd be looking for a bottom in here and a turnaround, you know, between 825 to 890 roughly. Now let's see if we can tighten that up a little bit. You know, this here is giving a target down to about 820. Right here, this wave down, let's say 860 to 822, right around in that range. That should give you your bottom here, your final push down. And if you look up here, let me see something. Use that wick. Yeah, it's not going to count for a whole lot here. But you're going to end up having 5 waves right through here. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th wave down. I think it still has a little bit ways to go here. Let's put a price target down here, a price label. This isn't financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. But I look at these charts a lot, right? I'll be looking for somewhere down through here for a potential bottom here with Trump and a turnaround, right? And where would that put us? It would put us pretty deep here. Of course, if you go up here, let's look again. Still lining up right down there around 823, 820. Somewhere right down through there. If we go up over here, it put us pretty deep for sure, right? And the RSIs, The daily is still coming down. It is turning up down here on a regular RSI. The weekly, still bearish, right? Still coming down. Your 12-hour, see where it's at. 12-hour is turning bullish, right? You do have so far some bullish divergence down on the bottom here. You could get a turn up here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could have had your 5 waves right here. This could be a shortened up. It could be a shortened up C wave. All right. So let me see something here. Let's take. You know, I would rather see more than likely a bounce. You know, up in this area. You know, we're towards where we're at now, than down any deeper, because that would put us through that 786. Okay. So I would be watching. You know, potentially anywhere in this zone. If we get, you know, because you could have a double bottom here. Let's take a look. Yeah, both these are equal. You could have a double bottom in your 5 waves. Could be down through here. Let's remeasure this ABC real quick, because it just looks like this should be a perfect spot for this thing to start bouncing. Really does. Let's take a look. There's so many wicks. I mean, this thing has been so volatile, right? There you have a 702 right there. Boy, yeah, you could have a shortened up C leg here. You know, absolutely possible. Anytime you could have a turnaround here. All right, this could have double. You could have a double bottom. Right there, double tap and go. If it ends up losing $9.29, then I would be looking at a possible lower target here, 817, right down here. All right, so that's a good way to put it. As long as it holds the 929, all right, you should be in decent shape here. If it loses that $9.29. You know, I'd be looking forward to come down here towards 816. Now, something that would give you a very, very good indication, like if you come in tighter on a 4-hour and you put a resistance line on here and it breaks it, that would give you a very good idea of the bottom's in. It should come down somewhere like that. Okay, this thing ends up breaking this line. Bottom's in, and it's heading to the upside. All right, as long as it holds 929 and heads up from there, that would mark a bottom. If it loses that, I'd look towards 816 here. All right, but it is super, super close, guys. You know, within a buck here of turning it back to the upside, I would think. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come join us in Discord. We've been nailing some trades over there the last few weeks. Absolutely hammering them. So have a great day, everybody.